Hello, everyone. I'm excited to announce that we've completely revamped our Dojo Go online academy with the launch of Dojo Go Academy 2.0. This new program includes full-length courses featuring our popular 6-week white belt beginner course, along with sequel courses to earn both yellow and orange belts. You'll also find follow-along worksheets, printables, and opportunities for personal video feedback from Master Kelly, as well as Zoom lessons. To become a member, click the link in the description below.
Hey everybody, so welcome to the Ghostbusters martial arts lesson today. Now, we are in a haunted house full of ghosts. Now, unfortunately, our Ghostbusters capture device has been destroyed, and all the ghosts have been taking little pieces of it and hiding it in different parts of the haunted house. Now, what we must do is we must sneak around, gather all the pieces, and hopefully get all the ghosts out of this house. Can you guys help me with that? Awesome. Can you say yes, sir? Awesome, awesome, good. All right, so we're gonna start with a really quiet warm-up today. We're gonna whisper in Korean so nobody can hear us, okay? So let's do jumping jacks. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good, awesome. All right, let's start rotating our arms, being really quiet, but repeat after me. Ready? I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. All right, let's go the other way now. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good, awesome. Start swinging your arms like this. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job, you guys. Awesome. Now, at the very bottom of the screen, you're gonna see 4 different pieces, okay, of the machine that we need to use to get all of the different ghosts out of this house. So all 4 pieces we need to collect. The first piece is upstairs. We gotta go to the upstairs floor. I think there's a ghost there waiting for us. Can you guys help me defeat him? Awesome, good. All right, let's go ahead and go upstairs. All right, guys, so there's a ghost up here. Here's what we gotta do. We gotta duck underneath so that way he flies over our head. And as soon as he flies over the head, we're gonna turn around and throw a side kick right back. Okay, so Evan, hands up like this, fighting stance. All right, Evan, go duck. Good, side kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. Again, go duck. Side kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. Again, go duck. Side kick. Good job, you guys. 2 more times. Ready, go duck. Side kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. 1 more time. Ready, go duck. Side kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Good. All right, we got one of the pieces of the machine we need to use. Okay, and then the next one that we have to get, it's gonna be on the roof of this haunted house. Okay, so you guys wanna help me get up there? Awesome, good. All right, I see this ladder here. Let's go ahead and go. Okay, we're here at the roof, but I don't see the ghost anywhere. You guys see him? Where? Is he on my leg? You guys help me shake it off, help me shake it off. Oh man, okay, here's what I gotta do for this one. This one's a little tricky. This one's gonna stay low to the ground. This time we gotta jump over, and after we jump over, we're going to turn, okay, and we're gonna go front kick, okay, down low. This ghost likes to hang low on the ground, okay? So I'm gonna hands up fighting stance. Ready, I'm gonna go jump. Good, we go front kick. Awesome, good, again, ready? I'm gonna go jump. Good, I go front kick. Good job, you guys. Again, ready, go jump. Good, again, go front kick. Good, one more time, ready, and jump. Good, and front kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Awesome, all right, we got the next piece. Good, we got 2 down, 2 more to go. Now the next one I heard is gonna be underground. It's gonna be underneath the haunted house. Okay, so here's what we gotta do. Let's go ahead and climb down this ladder. Go down the stairs. Okay, there's a hole down here. I can see it. We gotta jump in there and fight this ghost. Now this ghost likes to hide in the dark where it's really hard to see. Okay, luckily we got a flashlight. Come here, Dojo. Awesome, so we're gonna use this flashlight. Hopefully we can find the ghost. Okay, you guys gonna come with me? All right, let's go. Okay, wow, all right. I don't see him on the ceiling. I don't see him over here. What's that noise? Ah, the ghost is right there. Okay, whoa, it looks like he doesn't really like light that much. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're gonna throw some punches. Now, as we're throwing these punches, what I want you guys to do at home is I want you guys to make sure okay? You're throwing the punches with me, okay? And we gotta throw them really, really fast before this battery runs out on the flashlight, okay? So Dojo, can you hold on to that? Awesome, good. All right, hands up like this fighting stance. Okay, now what I can see here, this is gonna take 50 punches to get rid of this ghost. So we're gonna count all the way up to 50. I want you guys to count with me and do the punches with me. Ready? Everyone go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Awesome, we got the third piece that we need. We need one more left to get all the ghosts out of this house. Now the last one, I don't really know where it is. Do you guys have any ideas? Any other places we haven't explored? What's that? Outside? That's probably a good idea. All right, let's go to the backyard of the haunted house. Let's go and get out of this hole first. All right, I see a door here. All right, let's go. Okay, we're outside. It's really cold out here too. Do you guys see the ghost anywhere? Where? Oh man, this ghost is huge. It's gigantic. Okay, here's what we gotta do. We gotta evade, but then after we evade, we do a Hujin. We're gonna throw 3 kicks. We're gonna go front kick, round kick, axe kick combination. Okay, so that means we're gonna go front kick with this leg, round kick with this one, axe kick with that one. Okay, so let's do that together. Hands up, fighting stance. All right, we got a Hujin out of the way first. Ready, go Hujin. Front kick, round kick, axe kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. Ready? Again, go front kick, round kick, axe kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. Again, 2 more times. Here we go, front kick, round kick, axe kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. 1 more time. Ready to go, front kick, round kick, axe kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Awesome, very, very good job. Awesome, all right, let's put the device together. Let's turn it on. Oh, great. Now the house is back to normal. Awesome. Very good job, you guys. Now, before you leave today, I want you guys to sit down real quick. Awesome. All right. Now, if you can sit on your knees. You can sit crisscross. That's okay. Now, before you guys leave, we're going to practice something called deep breathing. Okay? Now, deep breathing is very helpful if you're scared. All right? Maybe you were scared of the ghosts. This is going to be helpful for that. Okay? So, you're scared. Maybe you're angry. Maybe you're sad. Right? No matter how you're feeling, it's very important we control how we breathe, okay? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to breathe in for 4 seconds and breathe out for 7 seconds, okay? We're going to do this 3 times. I want you guys to breathe in really deep. Breathe in. Hold it. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. Deep breath in. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now, if you practice this a lot, if you practice this kind of breathing, where you breathe in for 4 seconds, breathe out for 7, okay? It's gonna help you get calmed down, okay? Whether you're sad, whether you're angry, whether you're scared, you control your breathing, you'll control how you feel, okay? Notice, if you're ever really scared, you probably do this, right? If you're really mad, you probably do this, okay? If you hold your breath, that's not good. If you breathe too much, that's not good either. But if you can slow it down, well, you're calm, right? It's gonna affect how you look at things, okay? So that's my challenge to you, is that next time you feel angry, upset, or scared, I want you to think about breathing differently. Try to breathe in, okay? Try to breathe in and breathe out. Try to slow your breathing down, okay? Does that make sense? Awesome, you guys did a fantastic job today. Everyone face here, Chariot, Kanye. Awesome, all right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Hello, everyone. I'm excited to announce that we've completely revamped our Dojo Go online academy. With the launch of Dojo Go Academy 2.0, this new program includes full-length courses featuring our popular 6-week white belt beginner course, along with sequel courses to earn both yellow and orange belts. You'll also find follow-along worksheets, printables, and opportunities for personal video feedback from Master Kelly, as well as Zoom lessons. To become a member, click the link in the description.